So American sprint great Carl Chatterbox Lewis was at it again, hotting up Jamaican's head, making the case that we must stop behaving like Usain Bolt is irreplaceable, and that the sport has actually suffered because of the focus being on one individual. The man said, now that Bolt is gone, the sport will be better off in his absence. And again, we know Jamaican reaction already. Carl Lewis is a bad mind old man who is still smarting from Usain Bolt usurping him as the greatest. But let me put it this way. This is not the worst argument we've heard from Carl Lewis. For sure, Usain Bolt as an individual has transcended athletics and has transcended sport. With his performances and his brand, he has taken the sport to heights it had never seen before. But that is Usain Bolt, the individual. When Carl Lewis says the sport itself has not grown, he have a point. For the past decade, track and field has been all about Usain Bolt and hardly about anybody else. When he retired the other day, it was like a memorial service with the theme being, what is going to happen now to our sport now that Bolt is retiring? The mood of the moment was basically, Bolt is gone, so the sport is gone. So I agree with Carl Lewis. As big as Bolt has been, the sport is bigger. Boxing survived after Muhammad Ali. Basketball survived after Michael Jordan. And athletics will survive after Usain Bolt. So the man is right. Carl Lewis, the president. And where will Donald Trump? Carl Lewis for president.